first time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share my glam bathroom reveal. I recently made over my bathroom and I thought I'd share it with you. Guys, this is my main bathroom in my home. I really love it, but I wanted to change up the original paint colour that when it was first built, the original owners painted. Now it's coming up as quite white on camera, but it's actually a very soft grey. I wanted to paint it like the rest of my home, which is in the colour Puppy by Dulux. The colour I have chosen is Puppy by Dulux. Now this is a very light mocha colour, and I think it'd go perfect with my brown tiles. To the right of this room is our toilet, so we wanted to go in and paint that as well. You'll see here that the walls are a very, very light grey, but I feel with the white tiles and white toilet and the white frame around the window, this colour will make it really pop. After taping things up, my husband went in and gave it 2 coats. Here is the first coat, guys, and I was really loving the improvement already. He also went in with 2 coats in the toilet. Now I'm filming this when it was wet, but you can see already how much it made the window and toilet and tiles pop. Once everything was completely dry, it was now time to decorate. I had a beautiful fretwork mirror that I wanted to add to the wall, and hubby is actually just adding some screws here for me onto the wall. I found these beautiful towels from my local Spotlight store, and I absolutely love how they also had a fretwork detail in their pattern. I managed to pick up 2 towels, a hand towel and a bath mat in this same design. I love adding a cozy atmosphere to my bathroom. I wanted it to feel like a spa, and I love adding different accessories to give that feel. I then added to my bath this timber caddy that I picked up from Spotlight. I love adding decorative accents to this. I started by adding some jars. One filled with cotton balls and one filled with Q-tips. And just by adding some decorative ribbon to the top, I think this makes a very cute accent.
Come closer so that we can be together.
Now you know your girl Shell loves her eyelashes, and I absolutely loved this little soap holder that I picked up from TK Maxx. I then added this beautiful candle in toasted vanilla that I picked up from Kmart. I then added this beautiful blue tufted ottoman that I recently picked up from the store Aldi. I then added this beautiful mirrored silver tray from TK Maxx. Also from TK Maxx with these beautiful white fake flowers. I then added some hand cream as well as these little blue flowers from Spotlight. To the only window in the room, I added these beautiful fake flowers from TK Maxx also. I truly love how this mirror has gone in my bathroom. I absolutely love this that I picked up from TK Maxx last year. It is a very heavy mirror, guys, and it has the most amazing fretwork, which I truly love. I knew it wouldn't stand out as much without the darker walls in the background, so I absolutely love this brown colour, made that mirror stand out, and it also makes the white tiles stand out even more. Guys, is your bathroom one of those rooms that never gets some attention? I tend to find that this bathroom always needs cleaning up. So I really wanted to give it a new lease of life, and I feel like I've done that here just with some decorative accents and some colour.
So mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free.
Guys, I absolutely love watching YouTube videos on bathroom renovations. It's one of my favourite pastimes. I love that I was able just to give this a little makeover with some paint and a few new decorative touches, and I got the glam look that I was after.
Wanted to give up 'cause nothing was changing, but with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs.
I was really happy with the way the toilet came as well. It actually gave it a little bit more of a cozy feel to both the rooms, so I was really happy with the result. I added this decorative wooden love heart that I picked up from my Red Dollar store here in Australia. I love how I fall in love with my home decor again, guys, when you put it on a different coloured wall. Here, for example, it really stands out more having the brown wall behind it, as opposed to putting it on a white wall. It'd just all blend in.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you that with a little paint and a few different home decor accessories, you could make your bathroom glam. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
I feel so free, I'm a sweet baby.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.